Certainly no bad weather out there this morning, just a little bit of very light rain up in northeastern Arkansas. Many of us are waking up totally dry this morning, and honestly, many of us are going to be dry through the day today. So I don't expect a whole lot of rain during the daytime hours. I do think there are a couple of chances for showers, maybe even a rumble of thunder by this afternoon, but most of the daytime today is going to be dry. We're going to be very warm with temperatures close to 70 degrees and very breezy southeasterly winds. It's going to be this evening into later tonight that we see the better chances for storms, and that is when we could see a couple of those storms turn strong to severe. That's really going to be between about 6 or 7 p.m. through about 1 or 2 a.m. very early tomorrow morning. I mentioned those wind gusts, and they will be breezy today out of the south, anywhere from 15 to 20 miles an hour. But as those storms come in a little later tonight, we could see gusts as high as 30 or even 40 miles an hour. So now's a good time to secure any loose outdoor objects that might blow around. All right, let's take it hour by hour on the Futurecast model, showing you what the radar might look like through the day today, and you can follow along with that clock up there right above my head. Again, starting off this morning, not a whole lot going on. I do think by 9 or 10 a.m., we could have a little bit of light rain over in eastern Arkansas. But again, through the day today, many of us will just be dry. Another quick chance of a couple of showers, maybe a rumble of thunder this afternoon. But by dinner time, 5 or 6 p.m., many of us are dry. Now, that is when that main round of storms starts to move in. Here's a look at the radar at 7 p.m., and you can see some heavier downpours and some thunder in there. That continues through 9 and 10 o'clock tonight, and then we'll have a line of thunderstorms come through. That's the line that really has the best potential to produce some severe weather if there is going to be any severe weather with this round of storms. By 11 p.m. into midnight, those storms will be moving into Memphis, and then eventually by 1 or 2 tomorrow morning, they'll be over in northeastern Mississippi and western Tennessee. Good news is the system moves pretty quickly. Check out the time. By 3 a.m., the storms are done. And by the time you wake up tomorrow morning, it's going to be totally sunny, so a quick moving system here. Severe weather outlook, again, it's still on the lower end. We've got a level 2 out of 5 risk now for Memphis, northern Mississippi, and eastern Arkansas. Everybody else is in a level 1. Again, that's on a scale of 1 to 5. So a level 1 to a level 2 is nothing too serious, but it does go to show that a couple of storms tonight could pack a little more of a punch. I think the highest risk is going to be for some damaging wind gusts inside the storms. Could be as high as 40 or 50 miles an hour. And again, flooding rain with that heavy rain could cause some street flooding for a brief period of time. Hail, a pretty low threat today. Tornadoes, also a low threat. Again, that would mainly be tonight if there are going to be any, but it's such a low threat, I'm not overly concerned about it. It is going to be that time of year, though, so we're going to keep a close eye on it for you. Many of us are just going to see some heavy rain and gusty winds. Again, showers possible today. Better chance of storms comes in tonight, 6 p.m. through about 2 a.m. tomorrow morning. Those storms are gone by tomorrow. In fact, we'll have sunshine. Highs around 60 tomorrow. A little cooler by Friday. Highs right around 50 degrees. The weekend, a little chilly, 40s and 50s with a mix of sun and clouds. Next chance of rain arrives on Tuesday.